With Hyundai Interactive Board, we can have a whole new smart communication experience versus all previous conferences. The great thing about the Hyundai Interactive Board is that it is very easy and convenient to operate. Quickly start the program by touching the hotkey, and it can be used like a whiteboard. Just write and erase. It has advanced solutions such as no required toolbar and a full screen area which can be an active whiteboard. When writing other contents, then we can add a screen and the written contents can be saved immediately or can be emailed or printed instantly. Using the meeting mate, participants can collaborate and share their opinions. It's unnecessary to print conference documents prior to the meeting. Just freely make annotations on any Windows screen. It provides more efficient ways to have a conference. Hyundai Interactive Board can change an ordinary presentation. With Presentation Mate, the presenter can organize effective presentations by himself. Many document files can be quickly converted to present material without getting help from any assistant, and full functions are available to annotate from any tab for a consistent, perfect presentation. Conferences today require closer consultation, not only from inside, but also with the clients at a distance. As Hyundai Interactive Board is capable of handling a teleconference, fewer business trip events are required. Using the Remote Mate, an easy and convenient real-time conference with people anywhere is possible. Organize training sessions, presentations, and online meetings with Remote Mate. Conference rooms, travel expenses, and long trips are now a thing of the past. Send the access link to your online meeting conveniently via email to participants in any location. Saving time and money, efficiently adapting to the rapidly changing business environment. Hyundai Interactive Board.